this being a baseline survey is that from now this survey, because we are looking at various aspects, like I've indicated to you, the livelihoods of households. We are looking at crop income, we are looking at input use, we are looking at output, we are looking at gender issues, we are looking at climate change, we are looking at rural finance, access to rural finance, we are looking at insurance issues. So basically, this being a baseline, if, for example, one wanted to go further and dig deeper after getting the basic key indicators, if you want to go further and study more and in-depth, this panel or this sample will allow you to do that, because what you can just do is to pick a subsample from the big survey and you follow up on the issues to dig deeper into that, so that now we can be able to inform on policy. So basically, it's quite some very big, rich data, and that's what I expect, or as the institute we expect will happen.
The questionnaire is covering many aspects of rural livelihoods. It's covering the cropping activities, the livestock activities, off-farm incomes, access to markets, access to extension advice, household assets, and with that kind of rich data set, we'll be able to produce many outputs in terms of working papers and journal publications, both by researchers at the institute and even by outsiders that will be able to access our data.
Information we also collect is participation in the evolved system of governance, in terms of participation in meetings called by the county governments, because with the new dispensation of devolution, it was expected that the people are involved in decision making. So we are asking questions about their participation in meetings, participation in decisions regarding what kind of development activities are taking place within the county, so that this can be able to help inform the country of how various counties are managing their activities. We are also asking the households their participation in collective action, basically group participation, because it is believed that participation in group activities or participation of individuals into groups can also facilitate issues to do with marketing, issues to do with access to rural financial services, and issues to do with basically the collective action aspect of it. Is an aspect of development that rural households really need to embrace.